If your Hello Baby monitor screen is frozen or completely black, don't worry, this is a very common issue and, in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the fastest and safest solutions. A frozen or black screen on a Hello Baby monitor is usually caused by a temporary software glitch, power issue, or signal interference. Start by checking the basics. Make sure the power adapter is firmly plugged into both the monitor and the wall outlet. Try a different outlet to rule out power problems. If your monitor runs on batteries, check the battery level or replace them with fresh ones. Next, perform a power cycle, which fixes most screen issues. If the monitor is battery powered, connect the charger and press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds. This forces a full system restart and clears temporary glitches. If the screen is still frozen, try a reset. Some Hello Baby models have a small reset pinhole on the back or side. Use a paper clip and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds while the monitor is plugged in. If there's no reset button, turn the monitor off, unplug it or remove the batteries, wait a few minutes, then power it back on. Also check range and interference. Keep the camera within 50 to 75 feet of the monitor and away from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or cordless phones. Finally, check the screen brightness. Sometimes the display isn't broken, just dimmed all the way down. If needed, repair the camera and monitor using the pairing option in the menu. If none of these steps work, contact Hello Baby support for model specific help.